Hello, what is your name?
I'm Donna Marie Margie,
How old are you?
25 years old.
What is your religion?
I am a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working in Hong Kong for 4 months.
Okay, do you have any more working experience in other countries?
Yes, in the Philippines for 2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
I've been working for them for 4 months.
Where's your employer living in?
They live in Tai Kok Tsui.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
780 square feet.
How many family members there?
They are 4 members.
How many children?
2 children.
Okay, so how old are they?
7 years old and 9 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 5:30
And then?
then prepare their breakfast and the kids to go to school. My employer will go out at 8 o'clock a.m. Then I'll start to go to the market at 8:15, then go back at 9:30. Then I'll prepare the food for the dinner. At 11 o'clock to 2:30, I'll clean the house. I'll laundry and iron the clothes. And then 2:30, I'll go out and pick up the kids to their school.
Okay.
At 4:10, we will go back at home. Then they will take a shower and their snacks. And 5:30, I'll start cooking the dinner. And after dinner, I will clean the kitchen and sweep the floor. And 10:30, I'll take a rest.
Okay.
But 12:30 a.m. I'll take a shower and 1 o'clock I'll sleep.
Okay, thank you so much.